Are you looking for the best broker out there? Today we are going to go through eToro and IG Group. We want to know which one is ultimately better. We're looking at eToro now. So you can actually interact with a global network of investors and follow their trades to actually learn and improve your own strategies. Also, you can automatically replicate the trades of successful investors. This is perfect if you have limited time or limited experience, or you're trying to learn what somebody else is doing right. You can access stocks, crypto, forex, and ETFs all in one platform, and it is quite a diverse investment option. eToro Academy also offers tutorials, webinars, and other resources to help improve your trading skills. And beyond traditional markets, eToro actually offers direct access to a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. You are also fully regulated across multiple regions, ensuring compliance and security for your investments. That's awesome. One or two of the drawbacks, however, is that while they are commission-free, it actually applies higher spreads on trades, making it costlier for more frequent traders. That is something to look out for. Also, unlike some of its competitors, eToro charges a fixed fee for withdrawals, which can also add up. Let's jump into IG Group now, which is a gateway to global markets. They offer more than 19,000 global markets. You can trade indices, forex pairs, commodities, and emerging trends, all through a single login with unified margin requirements. Also, you get a better spread, so their tax-efficient spread betting with profits free from capital gain tax. Also, you get fixed spreads from 0.6 pips on Euro USD pair with positive slippage that favors traders. Then having a look at their global regulation, which is an FTSE 250 constituent with a high market cap, operating across 11 jurisdictions under rigorous FCA oversight and institutional grade infrastructure. Let's have a look at a little bit more over here. So they have award-winning tools on their platform, so you can run their platform on the web, on your mobile, MetaTrader 4, and Pro Real Time, which is all tailored to every trading style with institutional quality execution. You also get real-time alerts, expert signals, clients' sentiment, insights, and pattern recognition, which keeps you ahead of market movements. It has comprehensive tutorials and expert-led content, which empowers traders of all experience levels to sharpen their edge. Doesn't matter where you are in your journey. You can get personalized alerts, you can analyze trading history, and you can refine your strategy with tools that are built to adapt to your unique approach. Choosing a broker, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, is like choosing a trading partner that you're going to be working with for a very long time. So make sure that you go out there, do the research, and choose the right one. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.